Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly, right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
I was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he's doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here. They're not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty, who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good to go. We'll start the session. Yeah, Roshan, you can take up the class.
Okay, thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is audible, guys. Good evening, Harshal. Very good evening. Okay, thank you so much, Aswarya. So let's go straight away. Let's start our class. Thank you, Priyanka, Himanshu, and everyone who is joining from Zoom as well as YouTube. Very good evening to everyone. So today we will be talking about very interesting topic that is like a very older one also generally we used to send when the digital disruption has happened and all. I'm talking about email marketing. So we will be talking about email marketing today, and we will be seeing two tools, not one, two tools, like how we can go and we can send email to the people, we can make the designs, what are the ways that we can do that. So before going to that email marketing, let's understand about few concepts. So if I say concept, so what do you guys think, like how email marketing is different from any other form of marketing? Any idea, guys, like your thoughts on that? How it is different? Like till now, we have understood about SEO. I have understood about advertisements. We have understood about content marketing, and then again we have understood about social media ads as well. So how you think like email marketing is different? ROI, return on investment, okay, is a direct marketing, personalized and for a specific person or a company. I 100% agree with you, Aswarya, because when we do personalized marketing, it always give us more ROI. What Mahesh is saying, it does give more ROI when I will send you a message dedicated personally for you or anyone in this group like Akhil, Divya, or Harshita, Kalyani, Ekta, Daga, anyone. If I say send, so again it is like again we tends to be more like you can say tentative, and we also see that with full of our like you can say mind and all that, and we try to understand. Now for example, now first of all, automation, yes, 100% we can do the automation in the email and all that. But before that, let's understand here what is email marketing and what is advertisement. Now, for example, if I open, let me open my, just a second, guys. If I open my mail, like suppose, let me open here my mail. Now, if I open my mail here, now, again, if you see here, like what I am getting from this Internshala training and all that. So what is this? Is this a email marketing or is this a advertisement? Guys, what you think? What it is? It is a email marketing or advertisements? What you are seeing on the screen right now? Email marketing, okay, email marketing. Email in a professional way, email marketing. Okay, excellent. Add through email marketing. No, it will be part of Viraj email marketing and Mahesh also. So it is a pure email marketing. It has nothing. If you guys remember, I told you how we know ads is there. If anyone, like anywhere if we get written ADS word or sponsored word, sponsored or promoted even, guys, so we call that advertisement. So anywhere if you find these word ads, sponsored, promoted, or even advertisement, so if you find that written na, then only it is ad. Now let me show you also, like if I go here na promotion, so again can you see here two sponsored one, Club Mahindra and Cisco, I am getting here sponsored one, guys. This is advertisement. This is like done with the help of ads, like a display ad. If you remember, display ad does show in the email also. So if I just quickly recap you, like we go to the ads.google.com, and we have covered display ad as well. So that's why I'm showing you here. If I go and then afterwards, if I just go to the account, and then afterwards campaign, new campaign. And if I go to the awareness consideration display, and then again, if you can give the website name and continue. And then afterwards, all the setting we already have talked about. But again, I will just go to the next. I will go to the ads part. So again, if you remember here, whatever ads that you write, like suppose if I go and I write here XLR, Images, again, we can go and we can see here the images and all that, website and all. We can go and we can have. So based upon that, we can again see here how the ads will look into the YouTube and Gmail. So please remember from the next time, if you find this sponsored written, that will be the advertisement done through display ads in the Google, or else whatever else. Like for example, if you see this Aja fashion, this one is also the email marketing. So this one is pure email marketing. How I know this is email marketing generally? Because again, it is not having written anything like ad sponsored or a paid ad. So I hope this is clear now for the first part. I hope everyone now understood what is email marketing and what is advertisement. I hope it is clear, guys. Okay, perfect. So always remember, if you get good evening, very good evening to the people who have joined. So whenever if you get anything with sponsored AD or promoted word, that is only advertisement. Apart from that, we have all the things, whatever I'm getting recent, like Canvas notification, Rajiv Talreja, this three words can finally free you, and all the things that I'm getting, these all is a email marketing. So first advantage is, one of you only told, is like a personalization. So personalization is a big advantage of this email marketing, because again, when you personalize, for example, let me see if I just go you. So for example, this is like my, you can say, the secondary account that I use. Now, again, if you see here, it's starting with my name, like whatever is mentioned. Though this is not my name, I just use for the dummy email and all that, there and here sign up. So again, you can see it is personalizing, like congratulations, Aryan, your placement in digital marketing is safe and all that. So this is like called as personalization when we add the name and all that normally. And what it happens, it just like tends to have more open rate means people open it more, and the chances of converting is a good and all that. So for example, if I go to my other one, so if I go to this, like you can say here, successful transaction, just a second, Mica Fashion, this is the company name. So again, if you get here, like for example, see, like they are directly starting with my name, Kautilya. If you are still spending hours researching hooks online, then you are doing it wrong and all that normally. So again, this is like they are directly telling me. So again, it is like something that like excite us and all when somebody start with our name and all. But I will highly prefer like if they start with the name at the starting, so that it catches the attention, and again the chances of opening that mail and doing that again increases more and more, particularly. Now again, there are many tools and all that to use email marketing. So there are two types of tool, guys, that you may face when you go for any of the job and all that. So one type of tool, we call that in-house tool. So anyone has heard about in-house tool? Have we heard this term, guys? In-house tool? No? Okay. So nowadays, let me give you a very simple example. Nowadays, have you seen like every company and every like store that you go, they always have their own branded bag with you and all that. They always give you the branded bag, means it is written like store and all. So that is in-house bag, we can say. One bag will be the simple plain bag. It does not have anything written over it and all that. No branding is done. Whereas in-house, like what we do, we make the custom, like we give the order to the printing and we say we want our logo and all that. Similarly, in-house is there. For example, like bigger company like Infosys, Wipro, or even Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, or you can say this Nika fashion and all that. Nika also beauty product in which they like send. So they have two website. One is for cosmetics and one is for fashion. So all of these bigger company have their in-house marketing tool. means in-house email marketing. So what they do, they go to a third party and they say, I want to use the email, but I want my branding, because they have a lot of money, lot of backings and lot of funds, so that they can make that, so that all their employee also have their branding like Nike and all that. So that is what we call in-house tool. And second example is I can go and I can use a tool. It could be any tool, guys. It could be any tool. So if you ask me, today we will be covering two tools. One will be the, like you can say, Mailchimp. That is one of the favorite that everyone normally uses that. And second tool that we will be using will be Get Response. So why two tools? To give you an idea, so that tomorrow when you do with any tool, you guys are comfortable with that. So let's go and let's start. Like suppose we have to particularly first make the email newsletter. So there are two options, guys. One, with the template I can make, or if I have to make the designs, like suppose if I want to make the designs like GIF and all that. So what I can do, Canva first I can go. So I'm showing you all the possible options that can be done. So suppose if I have to make a newsletters, if I go here, Canva, create a design, and then I will search for email newsletters. So here it is, second number. So I will go. So I have a Canva Pro, but again, if you guys don't have, you can get the free Canva also. In that also, you will find many templates. So for example, suppose I want to send for internship template, something like that. Okay, they don't have internship. So I will just go and I will see the all results. So whatever I like, basically, I can go and I can get that. For example, this one is looking good, but this is Pro one. If I have a free account, so something like this can work, or any designs that you like, you can go and you can use that. So for example, if I go ahead, let me take some simple one. Okay, for example, this one I am taking. So here, this one I am taking, and suppose I have to make a very simple design, and suppose I have a video where I am promoting, like basically telling how XLR like help in getting the job and all that. So first of all, though, I will go here and I will have the XLR logo. So for example, I can ask the XLR team, or for example, if I don't have, so I can go to their XLR website and I can take their logo and all that. Now, for example, if I go here, so you can say, now this is WebP format. So WebP format, I have to convert that into PNG. Because why? Because let me see if Canva does take that. If it takes, it is good. Yeah, it does take that. So that is good. But if it does not take that, what we need to do? We need to convert that WebP to the PNG. So please see here, one by one steps I am showing you. So suppose here, XLR. Now again, I can go here. And what I will do, this image, I will keep a digital marketing. So I can go here in the photos or free pick. I have already given you the list of free picture, website, even video. So suppose I want the picture, so I can go to the pixel or freepick.com. So let's go to the pixels, guys, pixels.com. And here we go ahead. So again, if I go ahead and all that, so again, I will go and I will search, like suppose I want something digital marketing. And then here SEO analyst, I will just see what I can go and I can do. So for example, this is okay. Apart from that, blog, Canva Studio, at the rate digital marketing, this also looks good. I will just download that. Depending upon, you can always take whatever you like. I'm just taking one. So I can go here and I can just drag and drop. It will go to the upload. And once it goes to the upload and all that, so I will go here and I will just replace this with that. I will just go and here I will replace that. Now again, I will say exclusive. For example, Independence Day is coming on August. It is almost 1 month. So Again, exclusive sale alert, save, big with our Independence Day sale. And then again, here I can give a customer name. Hi, hello. I can remove this and I can have hello. We hope this message find you well. Where our company we are bring you an exclusive to say big on your favorite digital marketing. Here I can write favorite digital marketing course. Favorite digital marketing course. And then here I can have like you can go and I can go here and I can say enroll for the demo today. And then afterwards, like suppose if I want to give one more thing. So again, I can go view more updates. This is fine. But again, like suppose I want to give some text. So I can go and I can add. So suppose this one I like. So now what I can do here is I can say success story. So I can go and I can go here and I can say here like view transformation of 5K plus students. So I can go here. I can again, I have to make sure all the things are okay. So I can go and I can go ahead. And in the landing page, I will make sure I have the link where I am taking the users. Now again, I can go and if I want, I can keep that social media, all the things and all that. And always remember the link option will only work if you have this, if you want in each individual, this link will only work if you have the paid plan. If you have the free plan, then as a one, you can give the link. So for example, I don't want this, so I am deleting. Suppose I'm supposing like we all have the a free plan only, we don't have any paid plan and all that. Then again, I will say like enroll today and get our jumbo pass. And suppose I am okay with this. Now again, what is the problem here? You will see our logo is different color and this is different color. Now I will go here. Now whatever logo color you can see. So what I can do, I can just go here and I can make sure that logo color is there. So that is what we call branding and all that. So I can check with the logo color, whatever goes well. So again, now if you see, it is looking like here I will go and I will change this also. So again, if I go ahead, I will just check which one is looking okay. Because again, it is a blue color. So again, I go. Now again, you can see what we did here. If you guys see here, what I did, I just converted the designs into looking like a XLR logo so that the branding things is matching and all that. Now again, if you see, like again, it's all blue, all the color that is in there in the logo, that again we can go and we can do. But there is a problem with logo is like it is not visible that much. So what I will do, I will take a white background or any other background. Like for example, I will just go and I will take here and I will just go to the color and just right click here. If you go after giving, I will just go layer option is there and then show layers and then you can just put this backward. So again, you will see now again, this is visible, but again, the problem is it is not visible as good. So I will just go and I will see what we can do. XLR solutions black. If I go, okay, so black is looking good. Like we are able to get the a logo because again, logo has to be visible. it has to be visible, means everything has to be visible with the logo. So again, you can see now logo is also visible. We have made the designs and all that. Now again, I can make it little bolder because it is looking very odd. Now, apart from that, like again, all the things is done. Now, again, this my newsletter for one page is ready. If you want, you can go and you can add the pages and all. And if you want, generally, like suppose if I want any action or any animation, so I can go and I can click on animate and then I can put the animation. So any animation that you see, and most of the animation in Canva is for free. So suppose I want this a writing animation like this. I can go, but again, I have to make sure when I download that. So either I have to download that in GIF clip or MP4. So that I need to upload. So again, GIF, I can go and I can download if you want any, like you can say effects and all that, like any moving objects and all. So that you can go and you can do that. So till now, I hope we are clear here with Canva. I hope you are very much clear here. Can the swap now be used to redirect customer? Yes, it will be, we will be making this as an image. So they will be clicking anywhere, na? They will be going to XLR, a page where we have further detail and all that, generally. What about other people? I hope you guys got how to make an image design and all. No copyright. Copyright will come if I will still any image. In email, there is no copyright. Copyright happen in website content and content. In email, there is no copyright. It does not happen unless and until I am using suppose XLR1 and I am sending online. So if somebody report, obviously they will see XLR is not my property and all. Then the problem will happen. Now again, I can download and I can keep it. So now, first thing that we need to do is we need to sign up in the email marketing tool. So how we do the email marketing, we do not use a Gmail. Why? Because again, Gmail does not have the options, particularly lot of options. Instead of that, what we do, we use the email marketing tools and there we decide from which Gmail ID we want. So first tool that we are seeing, guys, is Mailchimp. We will go here, Mailchimp, and we have to sign up. So I'm just doing sign up. Then I will allow you 2-3 minutes to do the sign up. So please see here on the screen. So what we do, we just click on sign up. It is like mailchimp.com and we click on sign up. After that, we choose here, we scroll down and we see here, we don't need to buy any plan. So what we do, we go to the pricing option and in the pricing, if I go here, free version. So in the pricing, what you have to do, see, you have to go to the pricing, scroll down, and you will find the free version and all that here. So again, you have to sign up to the free version and all that. So if I just go here, free version, so I'm just giving you detail so you guys can be sign up into the free and all that. That I will be showing you, Nia. Just please wait few minutes. First, let's sign up. First, we see like how we can make the designs in Canva because Canva is we are very familiar with. Now, again, this detail, if you go, so you have to sign up into the free. So first, see how I am doing sign up, then I will give you 2-3 minutes. Now, business email, whatever email that you have, you can use. So for example, if I have the email, let's suppose, what till Roshan 6@gmail.com. And then here the username. So suppose if I want here, if I go username, like 6 is already there, 66. Yeah, I think it has taken. Now I can go here. I don't want to receive mail, so I will just go and I will just update it. Now again, wait till it go to the next page. It will take few seconds. So you guys have to wait. Now again, check your email. So again, I will save this. I will go and I will check the mail. Which mail I will check? Hotel option 6. So I will go here and I will go ahead with Here, my quarterly Roshan 6 mail. Now again, you can see here, I can go and I can see we are glad. So activate account in the same browser, always open. So this will activate your account. Now again, first name, whatever it is. So suppose first name is Learn Live. And suppose business name also is Learn Live dot co. And suppose phone number, whatever our phone number is there. So for example, if I have, like suppose I will just give mine as of now, 647-293. And again, I constant automated. No, I don't want to receive anything from there. There is one error in your form. Okay, last name they want. I will go to next. So first name, last name they want, and now the address. So again, address 1 is mandatory, address 2 is optional. So as of now, you guys will be practicing, so you can use any address. So I'm just giving Bangalore, India, suppose. What I'm doing, Bangalore, India. And which address we need to give, guys? We need to give our office address, which is registered. So whatever registered address or registered with Google My Business, so that we need to do that. Now, again, if I go ahead here, Bangalore, India, we can do. So just Bangalore, comma, India, and then pin code we can give. So again, 560076, and address line 2 is optional. So I will just leave that. If you want, you can fill that if you are giving full address. I'm just for practice purpose, I have just given Bangalore, India, and the pin code and all. Now, again, if I go ahead next. Yeah. Now, again, how do you sell to customer? So I will say we are not currently selling because I don't want to give them any data and all that as of now. I will just go with we are not currently selling and all that. Once I go ahead, now again, skip. So whatever skip option is coming, I will just skip that. I don't want to give them these all information. What I want now again, import your brand. So if you want to import your brand, so for example, suppose this is my brand. For example, if I go ahead and all, so we can go and we can import that and all generally, or I'm like, we can go, we can copy here and we can go with paste and then next. So they will just go and they will import the logo and all that. So just wait here, let it load. Now again, industry. So again, you can choose here industry and all that. So whatever industry they are into, we can go and we can choose educational support. None of these apply, for example. Select the contact name. So again, I will skip that. I don't want to give now. Now again, they are saying this contact plan and all that. I don't want to buy. Still, I will continue for free. See, if you will scroll down now, you will find a continue for free. And then after that, see, again, they will prepare my account. Just wait for a few seconds. It will automatically redirect. So let's just wait here. See, automatically they will redirect. So this is the dashboard. And what we are doing in the free version only, we are doing that. So generally, what is this? Generally MailChimp have couple of plans. So they have the paid plan, the free plan and all that. So for practice, we can use the free plan because again, if I show you the paid plan here, so if I go to the MailChimp price, so again, pricing plan, so you can see here the pricing plan and all that normally. So for a 500 content and all that, so again for 12 months and all, you can see here. And then again, you can compare those plan also if you want. If you go to the pricing, you can go and you can compare the plan like premium and all, what all things they will be giving. So this is like where they are comparing like what I will be getting, what I will be not getting and all. And this is the automation that you guys we are talking about. Like I can automate if suppose somebody opens the mail, so what next mail will be going? Or if somebody replies, so what next mail that we will be sending? So if you want that journey, generally, or drip mail, we call that. What is drip? We are designing like if the conditional mail, like if it opens, we go with this. If replies this, then this like particularly part will be going in on. So this is the pricing. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes time. I want just quickly, please go ahead and sign up to the first link, Mailchimp.com. So that once I will show you, after that, you guys will be able to do. So I'm giving few minutes time to everyone. And later, people who will be unable to do after class, you will see the video. I have shown the process and you will do that. So please go ahead and do the sign up, guys. Okay, it's working. That's great, Sakshi. Thank you so much. And really appreciate for your quick work. Still, I am giving you 2-3 minutes time to everyone because the motive is like to do things more practically. And to the other people who will be left, don't worry, see the recording, see the process, and it will be done. So I'm just waiting for 2 minutes. I'm giving to the people. Just go and you can use any company name, whatever you want. And whatever company you want, go ahead and use that and try to do the segment. So I will just wait for 2 minutes. It's 7:37 in my like 38. So I will just wait for 7:40 so that maximum people can do the sign. Please start doing for people who are using the desktop or laptop. Just I hope everyone is trying at least one time so that you guys will not face any issues. So it will take 1-2 minutes. Uh, this is the service to nurture people because Virat, suppose you are selling any product. For example, suppose you are selling organic ghee, okay? So people comes and you given them offers like sign up to my newsletter. I will give you 10% coupon code. But what do you think? All the people will go and apply that code, or all the people who have taken your coupon code by joining your newsletter will go and they will buy your ghee? There will be some people, no, like 40-50% people who have not buyed yet. To those people, you can, again, since you have the email ID of them, so again, you can keep sending them the mail. You can tell the benefits of your ghee, how your ghee is prepared, and all that, telling them the success story means some of the customer reviews that have loved your product and all. And what we do with the email marketing, we increase the conversion rate because not all people always buy on the first time. They need a push, two push, or maybe like some people buy after a month and all. So keep communicating with them because if you don't communicate, other people can and they will take away the your leads and all. I hope you got it, Viraj. No, Sakshi, it is email marketing. You can use for anything. Service-based business, product-based business, or even e-commerce one. Anything we can use. So we are going in a general way that will give you idea about any business, whatever business you can go and you can do that. I hope maximum people try at least one time. Now, please see that those people who are unable to go, do that. Please make sure after the class, you guys go and you guys try it because I have showed you the steps already. Now, after going and doing, like this is the dashboard, guys. So now please stop whatever you are doing And please see here, generally. So here, this is what we call dashboard. So what is dashboard? Dashboard is where you will find all the options. So whenever you are using any email marketing tool like free tool or paid tool or in-house tool, out-house tool, whatever tool it is, always remember there are three things in email marketing. Now, again, what is that three things, guys? One is, you can say, is designing the mail. One part is designing the mail. Like we can go and we can design the mail and all that. Second part always we have is uploading the contact list which we want to send mail to. So whatever contact list that we want to send mail to. And third is sending and watching report. Sending and watching report, like, okay, how many has sent and all that. So report is not generated automatically because we do not go and check our mail every minute and all. So for reporting, it is always said that 24 to 48 hours you wait and then you go and check the report and then see what has happened with your mail. People has opened, if they have opened, what they have done, they have marked you as a spam, they have blocked you, what exactly they have done. Generally, if they have clicked on the link that you have provided and all. So now designing the mail, let's do the first thing. So always remember these three things, always you do in any tool that you will use, either this Mailchimp or any second tool that we will be using today also, or any other in this world, whatever tool that you use. There are millions of tools that is available and all that. And also in-house tool also works at same. Now free versus paid. So free has these all things, but paid, when you like buy that, na, you can have the drip. You can go and you can plan the customer journey. Like what will happen if anyone does not open the mail? After 3 days, this mail will go. If somebody opens, so after 1 or 2 days, this mail will be go. So you can automate that. That's why email marketing has the biggest automations where we can decide what mail to shoot after any customer or consumer has taken the action. So here design the mail. So let's see what all options that we have, guys. So for designing the mail and all that, you have to come to the content part. In the content part, you will find the email template. So where, if you are confused in Mailchimp, now just click on home. You will be coming to the dashboard. And then you have to come to the content part. In content part, you will find email template. Now they have the email template also, and we have created one design also. So anything we can use. So let's see first template and then we will upload the design. So for example, we can go here to the content studio or create template. So suppose I want to create the template. So I will click on create templates and then I will wait here. Now again, some of the template which has written free will be free. Whatever is written free, I can go and I can take that. And whatever is written upgrade to you, so I don't have the access. So for example, here, see creative assistant. What they have done here is they have automatically designed one for me using the logo and all that. They have taken, how they have taken, because I have given the website. So if I want that, I can go and I can take, or suppose I want to start from scratch generally. So I can go and I can do that. Or suppose I want more template like minimal or this design, whatever design I want, I can go ahead. So how we edit, for example, if I show you, like suppose this one, if I go, I click on apply. So just name the template. So suppose 8 July, 8 July 2024, and we will say Excel art, or here if I go save. So this is name we have saved for ourselves. Now again, since we have imported the brand, they always will have this logo by default. Now again, I can double click and I can edit. So suppose if I go here and if I go to digital marketing course, suppose we are advertising for digital marketing course one. Again, I can go here, copy, And here I will go. Now again I can write. You can even change the like style here, the color and all, whatever you want, you can go and you can change the color depending upon what you want and all. You can keep the white, whatever you want to have. And then the image. So again, you can click on add and then you can upload the image. So upload means whatever image that you have, you can go and you can have that. For example, suppose I want this. So whatever image that you have, you can just go and you can upload. And then here you can link also. So those people who were asking, "No, sir, when can we link and all?" So if I am making from scratch, I can go and I can link that here. And now, for example, if I want, suppose I don't want this image, instead of I wanted that Canva image. So I will just go and I will click on replace and I will replace that. Now what I will do, I will delete other things. So suppose I don't want this button, or suppose success story I want and I want to give here, you can say watch now 10K plus students live transform. Then afterwards here, again, I can use this Facebook, Instagram. So suppose I don't want this Twitter, I want just Facebook, Instagram. So we can go to XLR and then we will just go to Facebook. So I will just go and I will copy here. Sorry. So I can go paste and then here Instagram. So I can go here and like I can go and I can click on the Instagram. And once we click on Instagram here, see, this is the Instagram ID. So we will go and we will give. So what will happen? People will click, they will get to that. And now suppose this one. So suppose this one is there, or suppose their YouTube channel, for example. Let's go to the YouTube, whatever. If you have a landing page, you can give that. So for example, if I go to XLR here, and suppose if I just go here, and if I just go, I can go ahead and suppose, for example, I can go and I can copy, and then afterwards, I can just give here the link. I can go and I can give link and open in the new tab. Now again, people will click, they will get. Now what I will do, whatever I have made in Canva, I will just download that. So here, and I will go download and I will download as a PNG. So GIF, when we download, if I want to put some effects and all, but I don't want to put any effect. I'm just going with the normal one. So let's go to the document. Yeah, let's save it. It is PNG. Excellent. Now I will go here, replace, and then I will click on upload. So when I click on upload, see on the right hand side, again I am showing, when you click here, replace image, then on the right hand side top, you will get the upload. So again, I will just go and I will select that. So it is like XLR. So here it is to their Zoom class. Just a second. Wait. Okay, exclusive. Okay. Just a second, let me drag and drop. Yeah, that also works. So I just drag and drop and see it has replaced that. Now again, if you see here, now if I want to put link on this, and suppose on this I want to put, so anyone I click on this, I want them to go to web, and where I want them to go, web on, like suppose this one. So I can copy this, and once I copy, I will just go and I will paste it here. And then again, you can see here. Now again, see, where's my mail is ready. And again, all the things is ready and all that. Now what I can do, I can send the test mail. So what is test mail? Why we send that? We send the test mail to check before sending the actual mail and all that, so that we know what like whatever we have made is working well or not. So again, suppose if I go here, I can go and I can type. Suppose I will just use my Kautilya Roshan 6@gmail.com. So suppose I want to send. I will click on send test mail. Now your test mail is on the way to the test receipt and all that. So again, okay. So I will wait for some time here. It might take some time to come. So sometime it does take little bit time based upon like our ID and all that, how many times we use that. So again, see here, you will see we got that. Now again, let's see here. So again, this is a test message. So again, you can see all the colors and all that here, XLR and all. So again, I can go and I can see all the things here. If I click, see it is going to the Instagram. And again, if I click on here, Facebook, see it is going to the Facebook. And then again, if I click on this, it is going to the YouTube where I wanted it to go. So everything is working fine and all that. So see, this is how we can design that and all. So I hope this design part is clear with everyone. Is it clear, guys? Any questions here? Yeah, it is free for some mail, Mahesh. Like 500 mails, it is free. I will tell you about second tool where 300 mail per day you can send. So we have talked about one tool. We will talk about second tool also. What about other people? We are clear. You can see in front of you only the designs is there. So whatever designs we want, according to that, we can do. And if we want to like have the link, so we can have the link and all that. Now, again here, particularly these all will be like copyright and all that it will go. And again, they can subscribe and they can do whatever they want. So it is a plain and simple design I created. If you want, you can again generally you can go and you can create complex design also. So two options you have, one the Canva and one inside the public. You can say content and all that. Then again, you have to just save and exit so that your designs is saved. So don't forget to save that. When you save that, it will be in your templates one and one. And if you want new one, you can go to the always email template. So once you go to email template and here you will find that. If you want new, you can create the new one or the older one, whatever you have saved will be there. Now coming up to like uploading the list of the mail ID. So from where we can get the mail ID? First question is that generally from where we can get the mail IDs, guys? From where we will get mail IDs? That we have to send, where from where we will go and we will collect all those. Colleges, okay. Okay, they registered already. Okay. Our newsletters, Mahesh, instead of they registered already, we can say newsletter. That will be great. Aishwarya is saying inquiry forms. Yes, by getting a record. Yes, from office also we can get like management. We can say we can tell them, I'll give me the list of people who have not joined and all that. We can decide that, Akhil, like whatever mail we want, we can use that to send. So there is no worry of like I can only send with this mail ID. Any mail ID you can send, whatever mail ID you want. So again, few things that we get that, like where we get the email ID is the form fill up or the newsletter sign in. So form fill up, if you go, like suppose if I go to XLR, digital marketing here. So one way is like whatever SEO page people will go and all. If let it just open. And here, if I scroll down here, so you will be able to find here. So again, you will go and you will like see here, enroll now and all. So if you click again, you can see July and enroll now, and you will be going to the like getting the all the details, or else here you will be feeling the detail and all that, and then you will be doing that. Apart from that, like if you do the like quick, particularly if you go and if you talk with their chatbot also. Let me delete the unwanted things here. If I just go, let me. Okay. Anyways, let's go to this link. So again, my point is like when you go to any pages and all, you get the form fill up where you get that. Apart from that, like here, if you get a quick inquiry or chat with us, so any of this, if you go, you like tends to have our a chat bot is there and all that. So that chat bot again will ask for your email ID and all that. So or whenever you run ads, out of those ads, how many people have not join your course and all, to them you can share and all that. So these are some of the ways we can have, and we can ask from management also whatever the people email ID who have not joined our course. So I can ask XLR and I can send them the mail from the XLR, and I can tell them, see, these are the testimonials of our previous student, or I can offer them some discounts and all that. Now, after that, suppose we got a mail ID. So that mail ID, no, we need to have that on like either Google Sheet or Excel sheet. So I'm using Google Sheet because that is again a free. So you don't need any software for that. Again, you can go and you can use on online. So I will just go Google Sheet here. Once you get to the Google Sheet here, I will just go and I will just change that. So here in the Google Sheet or Excel sheet, whatever you are using, na, you have to make sure to make the two columns at least. If you want, you can make more columns also, but I will suggest you two columns. First though, like you can write the date, like for example, it is 8 July. And suppose I have got this like mail ID from management. So I will go and I will say email like from management. So just like this, whatever ID I will means email ID I am getting, suppose I get from the developer, like backend, what whoever has filled that, or any other, I will go and I will fill that up. So I will go here and I will write the name. So again, first thing is you can go and you can write the name, and here or full name, whatever you want, full name, first name, or last name, whatever you want. I will suggest send with the full name, because earlier people used to send with the first name or last name. I will suggest you send people with the full name, because people love that when you call them with the full name rather than just calling you with the first name or last name. So full name is good, that has to be used. And other than that, you will go and you will write your email. Please remember, you don't have to write email ID. Just write email. That's it. Now, again, whatever email that you have. So, for example, suppose I have this email, gmail.com, and then again email. I can go here. Sorry, this is the Gmail I will put here in the email list. And then here the full name. So, I will go and I will put that. Now, apart from that, suppose if I have to set to, for example, and here, like suppose we want to send to info at the rate. For example, this, suppose this to email ID. Similarly, if you have multiple, you can go with multiple. I'm just taking two as an example reference to show you. Now, what I can do here is I can go to the file and I can go here to the download. And when you download now, it is advisable to download in CSV format. Now, what is CSV? Comma separated value format. You will get that in Excel also. When you save the file in Excel, then you will get that. If you use Google Sheet, though, I will highly advise you to use Google Sheet. But in some cases, some of you are, if you are using the Excel sheet, make sure when you save the data, save that in comma separated values form. Once you go and once you save that, so just you can go and you can save that. Once it is saved, now you will go to your Mailchimp. Now in the Mailchimp and all that, so you will go to the audience and again audience dashboard, audience and audience dashboard. And then we will add the contact. So adding the contact one by one also you can do, all the bulk upload also you can do. So again, let it first load. So again, you can say copy paste or upload a file. So in the file, you will see there is CSV written and all that. So I will highly advise to go with the CSV format for no problems and all. So again, once we go here, guys, we will click on continue. Now browse or drag and drop. So I can just drag and drop from here. You can browse also and then continue to organize. And they have the tutorial also here. So if you face any difficulty, you can watch their tutorial as well. Now again, we will go here. Now again, current audience. So again, you can go and you can particularly save here and then continue to tag. So continue to tag means like again, you will put the tag, whatever tag you want. So suppose this is a management audience, management audience. And then I will just go and I will click here, continue to match. So once I click on continue to match, see full name, email address. So again, see full name, they are again not able to get that. Email address they have get it. They have got basically, but full name, they are confused like, okay, what is this? So I will just click on this full name and confirm. Here you will see this is a first name. So what I want the full name. So first name, last name and all that. So again, you can see, but again, I am not finding that. So what I will do, I will create the new field. So you can always create that new field, guys. So whatever you want, you can always do that. Either if you can select from here, you can select. If not, just click on create new field and just give the custom label. So what label I am giving? Full name. And what people can input? Only text. They can't input here the number, then confirm. So again, now see the tick mark is there and all that means it is well job done. Then again, continue to subscribe. Now, by default, it will be subscribe, keep it, and then finalize report, and then complete import. So what we did here is we added the content. So again, see your import was successful. And again, I will get the mail also. Like for example, if I go ahead in the mail, normally, just a second. Yeah. So here, if I go to the mail, if the import was successful, see. So again, I will get, might be I have not get it now, but they will send me for sure and all that. Now again, after that, making that the third things happen, sending the mail and seeing the report. So how we do that? So for example, we go here. Again, we will go to the back. We will exit from here. Now what we done? We have done two things. What we done? We have designed the content. Second, we have make sure of adding the content. Now again, I will go. Third thing is like I have to send the bulk mail. I will click on create and here email. Now automations you have in when you go and again particularly when you buy that means if you go and if you buy that and all that then you can build the journey. So again you can automate that. You can just go and you can like choose a pre-built journey and all that. So in the pre-built journey, if I just show you some glimpse so that you guys will be getting an idea. So welcome new contact and all, subscribe, SMS subscriber, add customer and all that. So again, you can go and you can choose any of this trip or customer journey and all that. Or you can build from scratch also like whatever I want. So for example, I want to send them a name, whatever a name it is, like suppose it is first drip mail. And then start building. Now, whatever I want, a starting point. So again, tag edit, sign up for email, welcome, and all that. Now again, this is like welcome mail and all. And then again, I can go and I can journey point. If else, percentage, wait for trigger, time delay. So if, so again, I can go if, again, if their addresses, if their tag is there, if full name, info change, last name, and all that, email date added and all, subscription status, engagement. So suppose engagement is new or sometime or often. So again, then I can go and I can add the filters and all, and then use segment. So I can go and I can do that. No, then again I can go and I can decide. So this is what we call, see, upgrade to continue. So this is in the upgraded one. This is what we call the automation, that how we send. So there again, we can have our own law, like whatever if or else statement that we want, we can go and we can create that. Now, just we will go and we will just send the mail. So how to send that? Just click on create in the dashboard and then regular email, click on design email. We already have the design. I will go here, I will wait. And now two. So again, two is like whatever here now you can give the tag, like suppose you want to send to a people only and all that. So again, I only want to send to management audience, just like that I will have tag, like suppose Rajesh or sales team or website team, marketing team, and all that, retargeting team, whatever wants, I can choose the tag. So it will make sure and all, it will go only to those. And personalized send to. So personalized send to means, like suppose I want first name and last name. So by default, it will go to the display their first name and last name options. And then afterward, lot of you were asking, sir, from can we decide? Yes, you can decide. You can go to from. Now suppose you don't want this and all that. So again, like we will change your address from Mailchimp.com. So again, I can go and this here, if you want the, if you get the paid one and all that, you will get here the options to add more. Means you can go and you can add more email IDs. Second tool that I will be doing, I will be showing you in that. But this required the paid plan and all that. And here the name, whatever name that I want. So suppose I want the name as India's first digital marketing institute, and then I can save here. So again, you can go and you can have, so for example, if you go, if you type now here, see, verify a new email address. So suppose if I want to verify it with info at the rate learnlive.com. So for example, suppose I want this. So I have to go and I have to enter the verification code. So for example, I will go here, just a second. Let me just go and so I need to verify that. So I will just go and log in quickly. Yeah. So I will just go here. Just a second. Let me see the password. So I forget the password here. So here, just a minute. Just give me a moment. I'm just searching for, because I have not used it from a while. So I just have lost password. Just a minute. Yeah, I just got that. Being. Yeah. So again, see here, I am just getting, this is like a company mail info at the rate and all that. And see here is the code. So I will just go here and I will go and I will enter the code and then verify. Once I verify that, see, an email address must contain a single at the rate. Just a minute. Yeah, yeah. See, I can save that. So it mail will be going sent from this domain. We need to verify it. So again, I need to verify that domain also normally. But so I don't want to verify this because it is not my personal. It is company one. So I will just go and I will take that previous one. But I hope you got the idea how you can do that. Now again, I will save this. Now, what is subject line? Guys, subject line is whatever you get here, like see, whatever you get here in the like bold letters. So whatever you are getting here, like a mail test and all, activate this, newly joined, Bhavna, Mishra, and 9 others. And here you can see Ukraine tackles and overcome manpower issues, Sankar Narayan. So whatever you are getting here in the bold letters, that is called as like subject line. So whatever subject line you want, you can go ahead and you can have. So again, you can say for example, lifetime access and post training support and guidance. So whatever you want, you can go and you can have this. Again, I can go here, I can have the subject and then afterward preview text. Now, what is preview text, guys? Please see here. So whatever you see here after this a bold letter, this is a preview text. If you don't give the preview text, they will take automatically. So again, you can say if you will not take the preview text and all that, they will take it automatically and all that. So again, you can go and you can see here, they will go and they will take it automatically. So again, here you can go and you can see here, you can go and you can see that preview text. So whatever you want, like for example, I wanted we are number one institute in digital marketing and then save. Now again here, once we are done, now again what we need? Send time. So again, we can't edit the send time. We need the paid, then we can decide what time it goes. As of now, we have to send it now. Then here the content. So again, design content. So again, I can go here, save template. I will go here and see, we have taken, I will just click on apply. And once I click on apply, if I want to make any last minute changes and all that, I can go and I can make it. If all is good, just save and exit. Once we save and exit, see, all the things here are tick marks, so I don't need to worry. I will just click on send and again start now. It will go and it will send it. Again, it will send. It will might take some time, 5 to 10 minutes and all that. Generally to go and to send that and all. And then after that, you will come here in the analytics and you can go to the reports and all that here and you will find this report. So once you go to the report section, it will give you the report what has happened with your email. So with your email, like what has happened, like if you go and if you view report, so whatever mail that you have sent, so what exactly has happened? People has received that, how many has opened, how many has clicked, how many bounce. Bounce means it has not received yet. How many unsubscribe and all when they last open, if they forwarded it and all that, or they abuses the report and all. So all this data we can go and we can see that. So again, this is like basically where we go and we see the reports under analytics and all that. So that tells us how it is performing, how well it is going and all that. So these all things we know after the sending. And when you send, you have to wait for 2-3 days. It's not like other reporting we just get instantly. No, because mail is something that people don't open very often, and they open once in a week or twice in a week or once in a day. So again, it is said to be wait for at least 24 to 48 hours and all that. I hope now we are okay. I hope we got it. Any questions till now we have? Please go ahead. No, Hostinger, that is different. I am a freelancer also. So, Maze, I do have a lot of client that I work for. 500 Hz. Yeah, Hostinger is paid. Hostinger was different, guys. Just to make you show like how the email you can add, I showed. Then afterward, domain also need to be verified. And then afterward, they said here. That's what we are explaining, Akhil, like from your website sign up, from management, like people who have not joined your program and all that, or your product, who people who have joined your newsletters, or from management, you can ask, from sales team, you can ask people who have not buyed your product or services. And to those, you can go and you can do that. So why it is called cold? Because they are not interested anymore. So you have to make them a hot candidate. Like you have to send them reasons who you are and all that. You have to send the testimonial, the benefits that they can have and all, how you have inspired basically a lot of lives. And then they go. That's why we call that, you can say cold email. You can write that. You just have to choose and you will be able to go and you will be able to write that. A hostinger, I just showed you, like company mail, for example. When you go in company mails, you will won't be using your Gmail. You will be using the company ID, like Mahesh at the rate infolive.in or infolive.co and all that. So again, you will be getting the access and then you will be going. So forget about that. That is just I showed you how you get that. Non-content copyright, a YouTube library. YouTube library. Take from that, it is not copyright. Or just go Skanda, like search like non-copyright music and you will be getting that. Yes, no, they confirm from which you are sending. So I just confirm from which email ID I want to send. If you want to add any new email ID, then you need to confirm. That's how they know that it's yours. Otherwise, so you will be sending any message on my name and all that. So I used to confirm that. So that's why, guys, from is always used to confirm. Otherwise, you will be sending from info@xlr.com and anything you can send and all. That's why they always send the confirmation mail. Now I hope everyone got it. Any questions anyone has, please ask. You can use in your reels, you can use in your shorts, in your long form of video of YouTube. You can do that like here, for example, if you go to, like I was sending the mail, like for example, content. And if I go here, like just a second, content, email template. Sorry, first let me go here. Email, regular email. So whenever you are sending Harsh, like particular, sorry, Neha, whenever you are sending, see here, when you do that, subject line, add subject and all that. So again, like particularly here, when you go and when you write that, and then afterwards, for example, if I save this, and then I will just go here, edit from, edit receipt and all content. I just click on this Now save template. If I go and I just select apply, save and exit. Just a second. Style here, email, error. Okay, everything is fine. So save and exit if I do. And once we do here, see, add a required referral batch and all. So again here, if I go ahead and if I see here, like suppose if I want to like edit subject line and all that. So again, I want that now. Like if I get the paid one and all that now, then I can go and I can add the personalizations and all. So again, I will be showing you in the second tool because here it is like very light and very easy to go to it. But again, it does not give you the options generally. But when you want the personalization, see here, to field is not personalized with merge tag. So if I want to like you can say if I want to personalize it, so if I go here just and I just click on this, and if I want to send, so suppose I here only one address I have written and all. So if I just go here in the paid, if I go here now, I can go and I can edit that. And once I edit that and all, then again this to field is personalized. So to whom you are sending now, it will go with the name. But again, they need the paid version of that. So then you will be able to do that. I hope you got it now. Here you can see. What was the difference between theme general for content? We are not doing content creation. If you have the like doubt, please wait, Skanda, because we are doing your email marketing, and I want to finish the email marketing. Then I will be taking the doubts of any other. Right, personalization name on every email. Okay, so I hope Neha, you got it. You there? If there, I hope you got it. So if you will have the paid, you will go and you will get that. Now let's quickly check that second, where I can get mail ID of customer in bulk because new in business. See, mail ID it is not advisable to buy. You can go and you can try, you can buy from India Mart and all that. They do give that, but I will not suggest. Rather, drive traffic through SEO and all that. Don't look for shortcuts because what will happen now, your mail ID will be blocked if people mark you as a spam and all. So that is again, it's like it's a risk when you go and when you just send to the people whom you don't know. No, it can be personalized. It's not like that. It depends. Again, if when you buy the paid plan, everything is possible. Nice. You need money, and then again you have lot of customization. Now, quickly see the second tool before I will take your question. So just give me 10 minutes. I will take your questions after that. So my second tool name is like earlier. It was apart from Mailchimp. Earlier, the name was Send in Blue. So you might have heard the name Send in Blue, but now the name has been changed to Bravo. Earlier, it was called as Send in Blue. Now they have changed that to Bravo. So again, it also you can go and you can do the sign up. I already have the account, so I will just logged in, guys. I will just go and I will logged in using my Google account, but you need to sign up and the free sign up you need to do. And in the free sign up and all, you will get 300 like per day you can send for free. So 9,000 mail like you can say in a month we can send for the free and all that. Now again here, same things you need. Now what is the same thing you need? First the designing. So how you will design that? You will find the template option. So again you can go here to the campaign and under campaign you will get the template. So again once you go to the template here under campaign option, then afterwards, see, create template option is there on the top. We will create that email template. So we will choose the email template option because we are learning email marketing. Now, whatever designs it is. So suppose this has been given by sales team. So I will say sales team and today's date, 8 July. July, and then subject line. So suppose here, so Mahesh, you were asking, can you guys see here personalization? I can add that here. So again, I can add the personalization also. So it depends upon tool to tool, and mostly it is in the paid tool and all that. So again, if I want here, get your free demo today. And I can add the personalization, what I want. Like suppose I want first name, last name, full name, whatever I want and all that. I can go and I can do that with that. So suppose I want full name. And which value should be used if the attribute is empty. So again, we can say, like suppose if full name is not fine in any of them, so what we will use? So again, we will say like full name is not fine. So again, we can use sir, for example, sir/madam, for example. So again, if full name is there, they will get that. So I hope you got it now, Mahesh. Similarly, in the preview text also you can do. It is a similar whatever you get after the bold letters and all that. So see, whatever after bold letters you get, that is the preview text. So if you want, you can add the personalization in that as well. So you can go and you can choose here. I will not add here. Then from email, again, you can add the new. So again, I can add, and similar way that I did for info@learnlive.co, you can also add that the new sender and name whatever name that you want. It can be anything. If I want learn live, it can be learn live and all that. Again, we can go and then we can go to the next step where designs will be there. Now in the design, see, you have multiple options here. What I love is, please see here for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes I will take, and then I will come to the doubt session. So here design tools is there. My template where your template, saved template will be there. Template gallery where you can take the new one and import a template. So you can import any other template. So I like the template gallery because it has tons of designs. See, new product onboarding, special offer, welcome, special offer, build with, and all, onboarding and all. And what I love, all are free generally. Unlike the Mailchimp here, it does not have. So if I am promoting my blog post, I can go with this. If I'm promoting this, I can click on this and I can go. So once I go ahead here, I can go and I can go ahead with this. Now again, I can save and quit, or I can add it here. So for example, I want to change this. I can go and I can change. So again, I can click, add it in brand library, and I can go and I can just use that, replace. I can just go here. Just a second. Save and apply. I can just go brand color and all, save and apply that. So again, my logo and all is already there and all that. So we can go and we can see that generally, and I will be able to change that. Now again, one by one, I can go and I can change. So suppose if I want to change free demo, and again here, if I go by today, and then again contact us, I can go here and I can say contact now. And after that, you can have the link in each section also, like a like free demo websites kind of stuff. You can go and you can link that whatever you want. Same if you want image, click and replace. And then if it is like you can say written, you can go and you can just go and write, elevate your experience today. Whatever I want, I can add that. I can go and now suppose start your free trial today. And then afterwards I can just select that, and after that we can give the link. So again, there's a link option you can add. So again, you can give the link, absolute link that only by default it is, so you have to keep that. And once you are done here, then again you can change the link. So here, see, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and all. and then double click and you will be able to change that. Once you are done and all that, just you will go and all that here and save and quit. So, but you need to change all the placeholder content. So placeholder content, they do not allow. So again, same thing, you can send the test. Once you send the test, you will be able to know how it looks like. So again, I will save and activate. So what happens? The first things is done. Now again, what we need here is we need the second thing like list and all that. So list again, you will get there in the contact option. So in the contact option, we will get the list. So again, you can go and you can have the list here. You can create the list and again enter the list whatever you want. So like suppose sales team and folder, whatever folder that I need and all that. So again, like suppose if I need a number, create the list. And then after that, it is created. I will just click here. And now I can import the contact. So similarly, you will find just you have to see now import a file. See, this is also taking CSV. So that's why I told you to go with the CSV and all that. Now again, we can go upload. See, it is has taken confirm your file, full name, email. It has taken full name. So again, we will go ahead with that confirm mapping. Now sales team, the first one, list name, we can create as many as list. So why we create multiple lists? If you are confused here, don't be confused like multiple lists so that we want to send a particular mail to a particular group of people. So we divide them with the list wise guys. So if I have multiple lists, like suppose list A, list B, list C, list D, then we go and then we do that. Then afterwards, I will confirm the list. And by default, all the confirmation I will do, opt-in and all that here, and then confirm your import. Once you confirm, now again, this, again, they have taken and all that, generally. So this is like how we import the content. Now, third is like sending the mail. First, what we did, we went to the, like you can say campaign option, template, and we designed the template. Second, we went to the content list and we added the list and then we added the content. So what is list? List is like a set of a group of audience. So suppose if I have 10, 15 types of audience, to them I want to send different, like you can say, like content. So again, I can make them through list. Just like in our mobile file, we have the folder, just like that we can do. And then afterwards, we will go to the home and we will send the email. So how we will send that? So again, I can go here, create a campaign and then email, you will choose create a mail. Regular A/B testing means testing two different content, sending them at the same time to half people and half people, and then seeing what is working, like which mail is getting more clicks, which mail is getting more replies and all. And once we go, we click on create campaign here. Like suppose this is our first email. And then here, if I go ahead and create campaign. Sender. So from where we are sending and all that. So again, I can manage the sender, like whatever email and all that that is there. So I can go and I can have. So whatever email and all, we can go and we can save that. Once we save, again here, and then after that receipt to whom we are sending. Receipt means whom we are sending. And see, since I have tons of list here, no, I can choose between the list. Like which one I want. I want number. In number also I have sales team and all. So suppose I want to send to only the sales team. So this is what we call creating various lists and two emails just in front of you only I have added. Save that. And then once you save, then subject, you can add the subject line here and all. You can go and you can add the subject line here. So whatever subject line, the best in business. Preview test, the best in class. Whatever you want, you can go and you can have here and see add personalization. Again, people who were wanting like how Swiggy send that and all. So you can choose the attribute like with the first name, full name, whatever I want and all. So suppose full name. So again, you can use, and if it is not there, then what? So again, you can say sir/madam, because we don't want to take risk. It could be any gender, because there are a lot of, not in India. In India, it is so very clear. Trust me, there was one country like Ireland or something I was doing one time, and we were having very confusion. Like it is like gender wise, so we just then we go and we use that sir/madam one, and then save that. So once you save, then again design one is there. So you can go to start designing option. And here I can go to the template gallery. So again, whatever template that I have already made and all, my template, sorry, my template, I will go and I will get it here. So whatever template that I have, I can just click on use template. And now whatever designs is save and quit. If I want any last minute changes, I can go and I can do that. And then once it is okay, I can go and I can send that generally. So how I will send? Either I can schedule it, click on schedule, send us now, or schedule for later, like whatever time I want, and it will be sent. And similarly, here in the statics, you will be able to find it what has happened with your mail, like generally how many people open that, what exactly has happened, what is the click rate, how many unsubscribe, how many hard bounce or soft bounce. So soft bounce is due to any technical error like network error and all. Hard bounce is no, like suppose I have taken an email ID from you guys. So for example, I have taken email ID from Arya and Tanya. And what I did, I made the spelling mistake. So in her name and all that, I just made a spelling mistake. So what will happen? My mail will not be gone to the people. So that's what we have to make sure. Generally, we don't make the spelling mistake. That is what come under the hard bounce. And soft bounces basically due to any like network or any technical error it could be and all that. So this is how we send the mail. Now again, any questions, I will love to take that. I hope before that you guys got an idea, a very good idea, guys, like how it works, what all things you can do and all that. Okay, lot of attendance. Yes, you will take that Mahesh image option. For example, if I just go ahead here and if I share that, so for example, if it is a Canva design, I will go here to the template, and in the template, create template, I will just go email template. In case of that, so just give the template name, whatever you go, and go to next step. And you can take this drag and drop editor also. No need to go to template gallery. And then now just take the images. You can go and you can directly add the logo here, take the images. If you want anything, just you can remove that. Whatever you don't like, you can just go and remove that. Just remove everything. If you don't like anything, now just remove that. Or you are okay with this social media icon. Then just go, take the image, just drag and drop. And then again go here, choose that. And then after that background color and all that, again you can go to image gallery, you can add the image. So whatever image and all that you want. So you can go and you can generally take that. Once you take that, again you can add that as a design. So this options is also available. So just drag that, it will go and it will take that. So these are the few options that is available. So I hope everyone got that. You can add as many as you want, Mahesh. There is no certain amounts like only 2 or 3, as many as. But I will not advise you to add as many as just 2 or 3. Don't add much because again, Gmail provider or Yahoo mail provider and Hotmail provider, they may mark you as a spam. Please send the message to XLR team. They will be able to help you out, technical team. Please message them. Yes, Archel, you can ask that. Thank you, Ravi. In tools, how many? I just answered that. Okay, Neha. Perfect. There's an attendance link. Please make sure you guys fill that before you guys leave. And I'm just open to questions. So any questions related to content, guys, related to anything technical and all, XLR team is present. You can find in your message option. Please message them in case your dashboard is not working. They will be very happy to help you out with your dashboard or any technical glitches problem. So it is in the YouTube as well. So again, you guys can watch from YouTube as well. Both are different providers, just like Jio and Airtel, Harshal. Both provide you Gmail account, but again, one is from Jio and one is from Airtel. And also Hotmail is also there. Though many people are now using Gmail, but again, Hotmail is also there that again, some people does use that. Yeah, 2 days left. So, and tomorrow we will be having talk about affiliate marketing and all. And the last day, I have planned to show you like the prompt engineering class, and we will see all the AI tools once again to give you an idea like what tools you can use for what purpose. So that will be again exciting for you guys. So coming 2 days, again, we will be talking about affiliate marketing, AdSense. What is affiliate marketing? What is AdSense and all that? And then afterwards, we will be talking about normally, you can say uh, in the next last class that will be, we will be talking about AI tools once again. Okay, so I hope we are done for today then. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you, Roshan.
Thank you.
So, students, I'm sending again attendance link. Please mark your attendance if you missed out. And I have a update for you. Okay, regarding the next program. Okay, I will let you know about it. So next we are next program we are starting, that's the Salesforce. Okay, it is starting from July 15th. So I'm sending the registration link. So please register and inform your friends also who missed out. Okay, friends and family. Okay, till when? The recording sessions will be available on website. So the if you access LMS for the first time, so it will be last for lifelong. Okay, so it will be with you lifelong. So whenever you want, you can access that. This is a Salesforce. From July 15th onwards, we are starting this a new program. Okay, please ensure that you register and please make your friends also register. Ma'am, this is a certification course. Yes. Same as this. Like this is also 30 hours program, right? So like this only. Like you will get 60% attendance. You will receive certificate. Even yeah, even faculty can register upcoming courses. They will also receive certificate for that if they have attendance. Yeah, attendance is mandatory. 2 days. Yeah, that's a Salesforce program. Yeah, you're welcome, Jaya ma'am. So, any more questions? You can ask me in the chat box, or else good to go. We'll wind up the session. When we have this course exam, so still we have 2 days, no? On Wednesday, we have that exam. Okay, MCQ type. Who can do Salesforce course? So, Salesforce is a like dashboard. I think you know Power BI, right? Like that kind of Power BI. There we can export reports and all. May I know what time, ma'am? Same time. Like how we are managing this session, digital marketing, same 7 to 9. Exam timings, I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay. Ma'am, I have registered for Salesforce course. Yeah, great, Neha. I can't able to register for what? Respected madam, please tell me to get XLR certificate. So you have to attend live sessions like this. So at least you need a 60% attendance for to get a certificate. Okay. Yes, Kanda. You will get because you are attending live sessions and you are marking your attendance. No, definitely will get it. Which exam are you talking about? So at the end of this program, we will conduct a MCQ type test like assessment. Okay, on which topics we covered in the session. Okay, so on that we are conducting like just test, testing your knowledge. So that's why we are conducting test. On next course for next sales course. I didn't get your question. You will register Salesforce, then we lost digital marketing portal access. No, Mahesh, it's not like that. So we have LMS dashboard, right? Excel Arts portal. So in that you can access many programs. Okay, not only one. If you register for this Salesforce also, your digital marketing course will be there only. Is this new course is free? Yeah, it's free. In ADL, whatever programs we are conducting, all are free. Yeah, all session recordings and materials also. That is there will with you lifetime. Okay, so good to go. I'm done with your questions. I'm sending again the registration link of Salesforce. If you missed out, please check out from chat box. We'll get from there. Yes, Ayad, I sent a registration link for that. Please register there. We'll get LMS access for that. Okay. So, ma'am, how many MCQs will be there? It is like 50 or 60. I will confirm tomorrow. Okay, Atul? Okay, fine. So, thank you so much for joining this session, students. We'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. Go and have your food.